Hello everyone, welcome to Java Code Threads. Today we are going to discuss how we can separate even and odd numbers from the list. Okay, so this is the most asked interview questions. We need to separate it out even and odd numbers. Many of the students we are using the filter as an intermediate operator, but there is another operator that is a partition by, which provided by a streams API. So let's start with our solutions. So as you can see, I am taking a list of integers, and I have created one method which accept that list of integers. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am convert this list of integers into the stream API. Then I'll use the filter method. As we know, we can use the filter operations, which is one type of predicate. So I'll filter those numbers which are even. So I mod 2 and equal to 0. That means it's a even number. Collectors to list. We'll convert it into the list. Okay. So uh, sorry. So I'll assign it to local variable first. Okay. So we got the all the even numbers, correct? Collector. So I'll iterate this list by using the for each method. For each, I am as the variable system dot out dot print. Okay, so I'm printing that numbers. Okay, so let's see what will happen over here. Okay, we got the even numbers, correct? But there is Stream API provides another method that is a partition by. So let's get started with that approach. So what I am going to do, once again I'm convert this list of integer into the stream format. So we not require this intermediate operation for the partition by method. So we can directly use the collect the terminal method. In that, collectors is the class. This is the class uh, that class is provided a partition by method. Okay, you can see the partition by which give us the predicates. Okay, so here what we have to do, we have to uh, write the logic over here. Means if we want to provide, we want to uh, required even or odd number, so we are providing the logic over here. Okay, and that's it, so I'll assign this into the one local variable. So as you can see, this partition by method which returns a map, which key as a boolean and the value as a list of integers. As this is the predicate, so that's the reason it will provide the key as a boolean. So let print first this list sys out collect 2. Let me print it first. Oh, so I need to as you can see, it's giving in the same map. It will given as a false as a key and true as a key. So whatever result we are filtering now, so it will come under the true sections. Okay, these are the all even numbers, and those sections are not executed by this function. It will come under the false section. So this is the another way we can achieve the even and odd number by using the partition by method. If we want to, let's say, if we want to print these numbers of false and true method numbers, how we can print by using this map. So to print these numbers, we need to convert this map into first the entry set, correct? 2 dot entry set. Then what we have to do, we have to using the for each. So we have to get the entry, each entry from the entry set, correct? So now what we have to do, we have to just print. Uh, let's print the key first. Or in the output, you can see key as a true and false, correct? Let's print first the keys. Okay, entry dot get keys is the method, correct? So let's print over here. You can see this true and false are getting printed. So now we will print the actual values. Okay, so here what we are writing the one condition over here. If true is equal to entry dot get key. If my key is true, means my number is even, correct, as per the solutions. So let's print our even list. Okay, even numbers. Entry dot get values. Okay, and else those keys are false, come under the odd values, correct? So I'm just copy and paste over here in the else block. Sorry. Okay, mark it as odd. So we have done with our solution. Let's get execute first. Yeah, we achieved the output. Okay, as you can see, odd numbers is separated and even numbers are separated. So thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.